Hi everyone, thank you so much for jumping back into my video. Today we're touring this huge property in Koilandi, which is about an hour's drive away from Calicut. I can't wait to show you around. There's a huge lawn, there's a play area, there's a construction of a pool coming up, and the amazing backwaters behind us. Let's go.
Theeram, actually, the property has been with us for more than 100 years. It's my great grandfather's property, and my grandfather inherited, and then my father inherited. And when the first time I saw the property when I was a small child, I said, I want to do something there, and it was there behind my mind. So when I got the opportunity, I really took advantage of it, and because I was in the hospitality field, I thought this place would be a very nice place to have a party. Basically, it's a huge, vast area, so it's ideal for parties, small get-togethers, and also staying is okay because you have two rooms over there, so staying also is possible.
Everything here is built around Kerala's traditional charm. The warm wooden furniture, the earthy tones, and the open layout that lets breeze move freely throughout the house. It's simple, it's grounding, and it perfectly matches the calm of the backwaters outside.
The furnitures, I wanted kind of an antique furnitures basically. So we went with a Kerala style old antique furnitures. So we wanted that because to get that traditional Kerala look. So we went for the thing, and for utility wise, the kitchen we made it a bit modern so that the utility of the kitchen is there. And I particularly wanted those two big verandas because verandas are where people chill, sit down, and they don't spend time in the bedrooms basically. It's a veranda is a place where people spend more time, and there's a place where I want them to be like at home but away from home, something like the concept of home away from home.
The bedrooms here keep the same vibe. Solid wooden beds, soft natural light, and that quiet stillness you only get near water. And the best part is, every room opens out to the backwaters.
Three sides we have river. So this is like a peninsula. You have river, and one side you have the road access. So you have the advantage of getting the car inside, and actually if you see it from the aerial view, you'll know that you have three side water. And basically the house which was there initially also was a kind of attached, old kind of a house. So that's what I didn't want to, take the originality. So I built on those levels where, that old house, that look, everything, remains. Once the bypass is open, I should say from Calicut city, it should take not more than 30 minutes to reach that place, which is okay for anyone. It's just and it's the bypass drive, and it's all motorable roads. You have tar roads till you reach the property, so there's no hazards of having bad roads anywhere.
If you've enjoyed this tour, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We're trying to reach 200 subscribers. I hope you like the sunset. I really do. And I'll see you on our next tour.